So welcome students. In the making of Mario game, I have already explained the last 4 steps in which I have explained how to move Mario left and right. So this earlier I had taught you. So now we have to do the coding for the sprites which are following down. So without wasting time, directly I'll be moving towards the sprite, star sprite. So firstly, what we have to do that this star sprite should come down. So we will start directly from events. As you know, when clicked, you have to be particular that this star rainbow sprite should be selected. And after this, once you have finalized that this sprite is been selected, then from events I have selected when clicked. Now, after this, you will select this star sprite. So earlier also I explained, then when the star comes down, if you see this side, it is -113. And I told you in between somewhere, it comes to 0. You could see here, when it is coming down, it converts into minus till here. And when I move upside, the y becomes plus. That means 169 somewhere. So that only I have to do. I have to make this star come downwards slowly and slowly. When it comes down, you could see y is decreasing. So that thing I have to do. So just for doing that, I have to firstly use the command go to random. Now why random? Because in my game, sometimes my star should appear from this side, then sometimes from this side. Just to do that, I have to use go to random position, and it is under motion block. Now I have to set the position of y. So firstly, I want that my star should come from somewhere this side. Then I'll check the position of y is 184. So I'll go to motion, and here you will find set y command. You could see here set y to 184. You can check your mobile or your PC, whatever the position comes here. When you are putting your star sprite upwards, that position only will be okay for you. So when I have just moved my sprite upside this side, so automatically it has taken the position of 184. So I'll just take this. Nothing I have to do, everything is automatic. And then I have to use forever loop. Under control, forever loop. And then now I want that this star should slowly start moving down. And for that, there is a command here, change y by this side, and I'll make it to -5. I have already explained that when it comes down, the y decreases. So that's why I have used change y by -5. And then in this sprite, the costumes are also there. If I'll just click on costume, you will see costume 1, costume 2, costume 3. It's changing the color. So that animation also I want to include. And to add that animation, I can use command next costume, and you will find that command under looks. So I'll just click on look block, and here you will find next costume. So I'll just click it, and I'll just place it here. So let's see whether it's working or not. If I'll just click it, you could see here it's coming down. But once it has come down, it has stopped. So means I want to do some kind of coding that when it comes down to a particular position, again it should go on the top. And for doing that, I have to use if command. So again, when I'll click it, it will come on the top. Okay. So I'll use if command. If, yes, I have taken if. Now I have to check Y position somehow. So I'll also take operators from here, and from operators I'll take less than this block. I'll just put it inside. Now I have to take Y position, and here you will find somewhere Y position. Yes, this is the Y position. Now I'll see here when it come down till here. Now what is the Y position here? -174. So that I'll take. When Y position is less than 174, then what it should do? Again, I'll use go to random position and set Y to 184. So just to save the time, I'll just duplicate it and I'll place it here. Again, I'll join this. So now I'll place this if inside forever loop. So I'll just check it whether it's working or not. And what I have done here, just when Y position is less than 174, one thing I have missed, it should be minus. So I'll put minus sign, because as I've told earlier, when it comes down, it will be converted into minus. Because when it comes down, like this sprite is coming down, you could see here, it converts into minus. Because 0 is somewhere here. And then again, when it comes down, slowly and slowly, it decreases the value. So I have just done the same thing. If Y position less than -174, then again random position, that means this same thing I have used this side. So let's check. So my star is coming down, and again see, that means till here the coding is okay. So I'll just stop this one. Now somehow I have to do the coding that this, if this star touches my Mario, then some sound should come, bell sound should come, and after touching, some score should also increase, and again then it should go on the random position. So simple. So again I have to use if command, and with if command I have to go to sensing block, yes, sensing block, and then here this touching command I have to use. If touching, and if you click it, you will find somewhere Super Mario. And what is the Super Mario? This one. This sprite is Super Mario. If it touches, then what it should do? Then I have to start some sound. And for starting the sound, I have to select sound here. And from here, choose a sound. And because I have already selected the sound, ship bell, and I think so that is under effects. I'll just select here. So that is ship bell. I'll just click it, and then after clicking it, that means that ship bell is been inserted. Now I'll go to coding, and then here I'll use sound block, and from here you have to choose start sound ship bell. So once it is done, again I have to use these both the commands, because once it touches it should make a bell, and again my start should go somewhere on the top. So again I'll just duplicate it, and then after this I also want to increase the score, and for increasing the score I have to use one variable. Under variable block, make a variable, and here I'll write score. So once the score is being done, I'll use under variable only change score by, that means this one, change score by 1. So our coding is over. Now this if also should be inserted in forever loop. Be very particular that when you insert, don't insert under this if. This if is different and this if is different. So suppose I'm just inserting this if, and then here this if. Let's check it. Now this is the final coding which I have done, and let's play it. So it's working very fine. When it touches, the score is increasing. So I'll stop it. So hence our coding is being done. Now in this way the fifth step is over. Now I'll move towards the next step. In this step I'll copy the same coding in all my sprites. So what I'll do, I'll just drag it. I'll drag this coding in coin sprite also, and then in bomb sprite also. You will see the coding is being copied here also and here also. So if I'll play all these things, you will see here all have started, but I have to add sound for others. So what I'll do, some different sound I'll add. Suppose coin. For coin I'll try to add some other sound, because chip bell is not present here, because that chip bell I have inserted for star sprite. So for coin I'll try to add some other sound, and you know how to add the sound. Click on sound. From here I'll go to effects. This is okay, magic spell. So I'll just click on this, and then afterwards in coding, and here I'll click on start magic spell. So this will also start working, and rest is same. Now when the bomb is coming down, here also I have to change. So here also I'll insert some sound. So there in effects I think I have used tada. This one I'll just type TAD and then just click it. After clicking it, go to coding, and here you can select tada. Let's check it whether it's working or not. All three sounds. So it's working fine. It's working fine. Now the last step. And in this step, I want when the bomb sprite comes down and when it touches my Mario, then my game should be over. And the background, which I have used earlier, should come in front. So just for that, I'll go to my bomb sprite. And then when I'll go to my bomb sprite and this if, here I have to make some changes. This if. Here when it touches Super Mario, then okay, start, sound, tada, this is okay. Now here I have to change the backdrop also. When my backdrop, earlier two backdrops are there. So I want to select this backdrop. So this is Mario background. So I'll just choose the coding. And from here, I'll just click looks because my game is to be over now when it touches the bomb. And here switch backdrop to this one. I'll just select this one. Switch backdrop to Mario background 2. These two commands I don't need. This is also there is no need because here my game will be end. My game will be ending here. And here also I want that my score should appear. So I'll click on looks. Say your score is, I'll just type here. Your score is this I'm using. And then simple say and from variable block I'll select score. And then because I want that my this score should appear for at least 2-3 seconds, then I can use wait command. So I'll use wait command. Wait 3 seconds. And afterwards I want to stop each and everything. Then I have to use stop all command. You will find here under control, you will find here stop all. So I'll just use, I have to use it here. So hence my coding is over. Now again I'll put this one here. That was only the change. Now I'll run my game. Rest is okay, but when it touches, the game is over and everything. Now my sprite is also not moving and score is there on the top. But one mistake I've done here, my score is coming 43. That means it has not reset. So just to reset the score, I'll just select my Mario and here again I'll choose my event when clicked and simple command I have to add here, variables, set this command, set score to 0. So I have used it. Now I'll check it whether it's working or not. So it's starting from 0. So it's working fine. One thing more I want to add. In my bomb sprite, as in other sprites, set Y to 184. This command is missing. I've done something wrong here. This score should not come this side. It should be down. And it should come this side. So overall, my coding should be like this. By mistake, I have added this score earlier here. So that's why the result was not coming proper. Now I'll run my program. So it's working fine now. So I'll come back to the screen. So if you want to increase the sprites, simply suppose this star you want to increase more, you can right click and duplicate. It depends upon the speed of your computer or PC or laptop. But mobile users don't add more sprites. Suppose I'll add this one, and coin also I'll duplicate. Now more coins will come here. Let's see. You can see here more coins are coming, more stars are coming. So with this, I'll stop my tutorial. I know I was little late. I should say very late to upload the second part. But I hope now your wait is over. So enjoy your tutorial, and I'll be waiting for your videos on my WhatsApp number. So bye bye. Take care.